How to make your TikTok account public. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. You will see the settings and privacy option there. Tap on that and now under the account tab you will see the privacy option. Tap on that and further go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for private account, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on the switch option. Once tapped, your public account will be ready. Make sure that once you are in your public account, anyone will be able to follow you and view your public posts. So, this is how you can make your TikTok account public. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.